there, they would have been naked with all the details in there. You get what I mean? That means, so well, if there are details in here, we would try to depict that nudity is the sign of heroism.
Real.
So here, we derive the idea. Hey, are you still listening? You sure? You understand what I'm saying? Alright! So I said if it's more detailed, it would be naked. We derived that idea from the Greek sculptures, the bas-reliefs and all. As you can see, the warriors, the Greek warriors were all naked.
Tignan mo kasi yung mukha, Gabi.
Whereas the enemies, they're all wrapped up in clothes.
Read,
That is
usog
the
ka pa.
heroism. That is why Alexander the Great is painted naked. Who depicts heroism? Who depicts might? That's it. More detail. So to depict, if they're naked and they're atop of DNA molecule, their scientific contributions have made them heroes. Why not the woman? Why not just the man? Why not just the woman? Because we were trying to depict as well the genius is universal. It's not reserved to the man. It's not reserved to the woman. And besides, an artist is supposed to be free. That's why we made the man and the woman. So it will cover everything. And that art will cover everything, including technology. That's it. And lastly, in the mimetic approach, here's the logical premise in our sculpture.
Gabi, puro mo yan.
DNA is science.